Visalachi, working as a social teacher in Trinity Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Namakkal. Now we are going to see 6th standard Civics Unit 3 Road Safety. Traffic rules are the laws that govern how, when, and where you are allowed to drive any vehicle. The traffic safety course education plays an important role in shaping the attitude and behavior of children and young people, ensuring to become responsible drivers, passengers, pedestrians, and cyclists. Keeping the children safe at all times can be tracking when you cannot be with them always. Parents and teachers ensure the safety of the children at home and school. But who keeps them safe on the road? Therefore, educating children about road safety is very important. Teaching about road safety to children can be started as soon as they are old enough to step out of the home. Three types of the traffic signals: mandatory, enough. Three types of traffic signs: mandatory, cautionary, and information. Mandatory road signs are the ones that give order regarding do's and do nots and are to be followed strictly. There are generally circular in shapes. Second one, cautionary road signs are the ones that warn the road user regulate the road's situation ahead. Cautionary signs are generally in triangle shape. Third one, informatory road signs are ones that give information regarding direction, destination, etc. Informatory signs are generally rectangular in shape. Blue color gives a positive instructions about what is to be alone. Red signs, red rings or circles give negative instructions, what should not be done. Know your signals. The signal is in three color: red, amber, and greens. Red means stop, wait behind the stop line. If there are no lines, stop before the traffic line at the intersecting so that traffic light is clearly visible. Wait until a green signal appeared before proceeding. You may turn left while the signal is red if it is not prohibited by the sign, but give importance to pedestrians and other traffic. Amber means caution. You may move on if the amber appears after you have already crossed the stop line or when you feel that your stopping may cause accident. Anyhow, be extra careful. Green means go. Proceed ahead, ensuring that the way is clear. You may make a right or left turn if you can make a right or left turn if not prohibited by signal, but take special care and give way to pedestrians crossing the road. Green arrow means that you can go in the direction showed by the arrow. Crossroads and pedestrians crossing. Children have a tendency just to sprint across the street as they like. Educate the children to never run across or along the road. Children can get distracted easily and leave the parent's hand to run or sprint away. Children should cross only at pedestrian crossing. So pedestrian crossing means the pedestrian crossings were instructed in Britain in 1934. The roads were marked by dotted lines. On the pavement there were stripes, belicious beacon light poles named after Britain's Minister of Transport L. Horribles. The zebra crossing with black and white stripes was developed after the Second World War. Road signs, markings, traffic signals, and other traffic divisions are there to guide the road users and hence are in the languages of the road. Every road user, were pedestrians, two-wheeler riders, drivers of four-wheeler vehicles should have knowledge regarding these traffic controlling devices and should be aware of what they significant. Traffic signals are there to regulate traffic, warn about the horizontal and to guide the road user. Always use payments. Children must use the payments when walking on the road. So, on the traffic rules, do's, walk on any side of the road if there are footpath. On roads without footpath, walk on your extreme right side facing the oncoming traffic. Use zebra crossing, foot-over bridge and subways to cross the roads. Where such facilities are not available, be extra conscious while crossing the road. Children below 8 years of age should cross the road with the help of elders. Cross the road when the vehicles are at a safe distance. Wear light colored dress during night time. Don't indulge in any kind of stunts. Don't load the cycle with another person or heavy goods. Don't ride holding onto other fast moving vehicles while commuting and school transportation. Do's: get up early and start early from home. Brought the bus from the designated bus stop in a queue. Once inside the bus, behave properly. Hold on to the railing of the bus. Already only at the designated bus stop. Get down only when the bus has stopped completely. If the driver is not following the road safety rules, bring it to the notice of school authorities, parents or traffic helplines. Don'ts: do not rush or run to catch your bus. Do not stand on the steps of the bus. Do not make noise that may distract the driver. Do not put away any part of the body outside the bus. Do not get in or get down from the moving bus as pillion rider or co-passengers. Always wear helmet and seat belt. Do not include in talking with the driver. Children above 12 years of the age should occupy the back seat. Play at safe place. Do not play on roads. Look for a playground or vacant land to play. Do not play around a vehicle park. inside your school permit, colony or near your residence. So in this lesson we are discuss what is the important road rules we have to follow. Thank you.